Hello guys, so I'm Dilip. So now we are going to see the 3D modeling in AutoCAD. So we will see the basic 3D modeling tools and then we will convert our 2D plan into 3D or any 2D drawing into 3D. So here I'm open with the 3D. So in latest version you will be able to see at the bottom right corner. So there you have to select and you can select to 3D modeling. This is my old version, so I am going to tools, workspace, go to 2D drafting. So these are all my 2D drafting tools. So we will see about 3D. So here go to 3D modeling. So here I will show you this one. So here we have 3D tools. So this is polysolid, this is the box, and this is the wedge. So box, if you see this, the box will be created, but you will be unable to see. So that you have to go to view, click on 3D views, go to isometry. So see here we can see our box. So if you want to see this in a visualization, go to visual styles, go to 3D hidden. So or else you can see, go to 3D views realistic. So you can see it in different angles. This is conceptual. So this is a cube box. So this is wedge. So we can do is by selecting first point and select second point. We want to increase like this. So this how we can do this is the wedge. Like you can see the shape. So here is the cone. So we can apply a cone here. So I'm selecting some base and this is the height or downwards. So we can draw like this. So these are the 3D solid models and this is sphere. So here I can draw the sphere and this is cylinder, so base, and this is the size height. So this is the pyramid. So I'm gonna take this center point. So I'm gonna select like this and here. So and this is torus. So I'm gonna select this point, select like this. So it's like some donut only. So this is the extrude. So where you can use, so this is press pull, revolve, sweep. So and this is loft. So if you see here, so it will comes in 3D mode. So this is the subtract union. So I'm taking subtract, select this object and second object, press enter. So we'll be able to see in the 2D wireframe only. So if you select this subtract, select the object and select the second one, press the enter. Select the first object, select the second, press the enter. So again we will go to view, visual styles, conceptual. So it will assign in that or it will get union. So you can see this is union. I'm selecting first object and second object and enter. So see it has joined. So subtract is used where while we are placing windows we can subtract it. So you can select this intersect. I think this one intersecting. So okay, so these are some basic 3D tools in our AutoCAD. So now we will go to our view, go to 3D views or visual styles 2D wireframe. So now what we will do means we will draw some rough plan in the 2D, and we will, so I'm deleting all this. Again I'm going to 2D, go to workspace, 2D. So if you want any comments, so here there is a space, you right click, go to ACAD, so click on draw toolbar. So here you can see the draw toolbar here. So I don't need this. Go to ACAD, you can see all the comments layers. So again go to here ACAD, modify command, so modify toolbar, and you can have ACAD. So viewports, I want view, so I want this, so I can place here, drag and drop, so you can place anywhere you want of your toolbar. So now we will take some plants. I'm going to keep this on side, or else I will close. So now we will draw a plan. I'm taking a line. In our 2D model, so I'm going to add some viewport. So now we will draw some plan. So for that, so I'm going to take the units in feet and inches. So I'm going to change my units. U and enter. Go to architectural precision 00, and this is inches. Okay, and again go to DM, re-enter. This is dimension style manager. So go to modify. Now go to primary units. Click on architectural, change to 00. Click on OK. Click on set current and close. So now we will draw a plan. So I'm taking, if we click on F8, the ortho will get on, or else you can select here also. So I'm taking a length of 60 feet length, sorry, 60 feet length, and a width of 30 feet. So again same 60 feet, enter, and 30 feet, enter, and enter. So click on Z, enter, A, enter, or Z, enter, Z, enter, E, enter. So your plan will be like this. So now I will draw an offset of 5 inches. So this is my outer side wall. So I will select all this. So before we go to our 3D, so we have to make some changes for this. What we have to do means we have to take as this as rectangular part, so that whole wall will be ejected. So I take a line because we can modify however we want, but if we take rectangle, the whole part will be deleted. So I'm taking some offset of, so I'm gonna leave 3 feet. Side lots. So and I'm gonna take the offset of 9 inches inside walls. So and then again I'm gonna take the offset of, so here we can measure. So I'm taking this one dimension, so I'm taking the measurement inside, so it is 21 feet. So I'm going to take offset of 15, so I'm going to take 14 feet from this side, and again an offset of wall 4.5 inches is inside. So then again we are going to give a wall here, so I'm gonna take some rough values of 15 feet. So again I'm taking offset of 4.5 inches to the outside. So then after, so we will trim all the parts. So now we will trim our parts, unnecessary lines. So I'm going to trim all this. So I'm just showing you. So don't see like I'm not drawing a whole plan. So next time we will, the next part we will draw the whole plan, and we will make it in, and we will convert into 3D with all the block diagrams, so that you have seen in the basic plans. So now we will delete all these unnecessary lines. So for selecting unnecessary lines, you have to select from left to right. So if you want to select lines, go to from right to left. So I'm deleting the unnecessary parts. So delete. So here there are no necessary. So I'm done with everything. So now we will draw some rectangles over here. RAC. So I'm selecting this point, and again I'm selecting this point. Now again enter, select this point and select this point. Again click on enter, select this point and this point. So now again click on enter, select this point and select over here. So again I am selecting the rectangle, select this point. So you can see my line is not visible because it is exactly matching my line. So again click on enter. So select this point, select over here. Again click on enter. So select this point, click on enter. Click on enter. Again now select this point. So after that again click enter. Now select this point. Now click on enter. So we have done with our parts, rectangle parts. So now we will convert into 3D. Go to workspace, click on 3D modeling. So now we are done with our, we have came into our 3D model, but we can see our plan in 2D only. So for that, go to view, click on 3D views, click on southwest isometric. So now we're going to use our tools. So for that, okay. So again click on enter. Now select this one. Click on 10 feet, enter.